I hope you have a great day. I came back with another beautiful circular design. In this design, I'm using some keys during the design. You can see these keys at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. Go to insert and take this hollow shape and drag it by holding shift alt. Let me make it little bit thinner through this anchor point and hold this anchor point and make it little bit thinner, and you can make it according to your desire. Align center, align middle. Again, go to insert and take this rectangle and drag this rectangle vertically like this. Align center and align middle. Okay, control D to duplicate it. Again, align center, align middle by holding alt and press the right arrow key 4 times. Again, control D to duplicate it by holding alt, press right arrow key 4 times, and you will get 6 shapes. Let me place it here for later use, and go to merge shape fragment and select these areas with the holding shift, this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this sixth one, and delete. Okay, by holding shift alt and make it a little bit smaller. Align center, align middle, and let me make it a little bit thinner from through this anchor point by holding this anchor point, and go to insert. Again, take this rectangle and drag this rectangle like this vertically, and align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it. Again, align center and align middle as I did before. Okay, control D to duplicate it, align center and align middle. Select this hollow shape and these 3 rectangles and fragment, and select these areas now by holding shift. This one, and this is the last one. Control D, and then, okay, delete it. Sorry. Again, take an all shape and drag on all shape by holding shift alt and put it on these shapes, over these shapes, at the center up over these shapes one by one by control D to duplicate it. Okay, like this. Make it align perfect. Let the design give a premium look. Okay, align. Okay, control D to duplicate it and place it here at the center of this shape. Again, control D to duplicate it, and this is the last one. Select this one, and go to union, like select all these 2 shapes and go to union every time. By hitting Ctrl A, select all and fragment. Now select these areas by holding shift and delete the rest of the parts of the whole design. Okay, we got these shapes. Now I'm going to give it some beautiful gradient, and you can use your own colors according to your logo, according to your company. And I'm going to give it some beautiful gradient from, okay, this is the direction, and also give gradient to the stroke or outline. You can may say outline, and give it inverse gradient to the fill gradient, and direction will be inverse to the fill. Yes, and let me now make its width to 1.75 is okay. I'm going to give it some shadow effects, and this shadow effect will be okay. Increase the transparency to around about 70 will be okay. 102 size, blur is okay. Control Shift C, and by holding Control Shift V and click one by one these shapes, and the effect will be transferred to these shapes one by one. Let me bring some text, and I will put these text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. Okay, this is the headline text. I'm going to make its size to, I think so, 32 is okay. And you can also increase these steps according to your requirements. I'm going to put these text, a good idea. Under the good idea, I need only this text. So I'm going to put it here. Let me place it, align it perfectly. And let me see how it give a good look. Control D to duplicate it, place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Start moving, increase, go here and take time, and you can okay, let me place it here. Earning and award will be the last step, this one. Make sure to place these text aligned to each other so that the design will give a premium look, and the design will look better. Place it here and go to insert icon. Let me take this text tab 1 2 3 4 5 6 and Franklin Gothic heavy. I'm going to take this font, and this font you can download from Google. It's free. Heavy, I need heavy, so hit enter, and I'm going to increase its size to, let me check it, that when I will place it at this corner, so I'm going to decrease the size to, I think so, at 40 will be okay. Let me take a rectangle and drag a rectangle over these number, select both and fragment, and I'm going to delete the extra parts now. And this is the center part of the 4 and the center part of the 6, and I'm going to put these number one by one on this corner. 2 will go there, here, so 3 will go here, and 4 will go here and at this corner. Yes, you can also design these shapes in different color. I choose one color, one gradient, that is gray and white, and shape outline make it gray color, and shape fill no fill, and I'm going to increase its width And so I am going to place it here at fix it at the corner. And let me bring some icons from this icon tab. You can find your desired icon here in this icon tab, and in the search icon bar you can write your text, and you will find your desired icon here. And I need 6 icons, so I am going to select insert and bring it to the slide by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller. Now I am going to let me take it, put it at the side, and I'm going to place these icons one by one. So I'm sorry that this icon is not going to match the text, so later on I will add icons that will match to the text, but the time short is a point. So thank you for watching.